everyone, welcome back to my channel Style Up India and I am Nisha. Today I'm here to talk about this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum, and I have heard so many good things about this product through international influencers, and they have raved about this product so much that I was like, I want to try this product out. But earlier it was not available, but recently L'Oreal Paris has launched this product in India and I was lucky enough to get this product to try it out. So here I am sharing my experience. Let's see it's worth it or not. Let's see it's worth the hype or not, and if you guys are interested to know more about it, then keep on watching. Firstly, let's talk about the packaging. The packaging is so luxurious. It comes with a golden glass bottle and it's come with a pump. The serum inside it is transparent, and the smell of this serum is so damn luxurious, so amazing. The smell is so mild but yet so luxurious. I can't tell you, it's so amazing. When we apply DIY hair treatments on our hair, it leaves some kind of a smell. So for that, it is really amazing. It feels like you have applied a mild perfume on a hair, and the smell, I really like the smell, I can't tell you. I'm in love with this product so much because my hairs are curly from inside and dry and damaged from outside, and it is difficult for me to manage them because every now and then it gets tangled up, and when I try to detangle them I lose so many hair. But with this serum it's easier for me to detangle them and manage them, and it's truly a frizz killer, and I really love this product so much. So this is how I like to apply this serum after I wash my hair, and when my hair are damp, like not fully dried, I just take 2 to 3 drops of it and spread over my palm and start applying from the length of my hair till the root of my hair and spread evenly. Make sure you don't apply this over your scalp. Also make sure that you apply nicely on the end of your hair because it prevents split ends. After that, I do partition of my hair and start to detangle them, and after applying the serum your hair instantly becomes so manageable and so smooth. You can see in this video how easily I can detangle my hair. If you have a curly and frizzy hair, you must be knowing that we cannot detangle our hair after our hair are fully dried. So this is the best time to apply this serum, and my hair remains soft and smooth and manageable for really long time. Another way I like to use this serum is when my hair are fully dried, I take 2 to 3 pump of this serum and runs my finger into my hair and start straightening them. I usually straighten my hair after it gets fully dried. So section by section, with the help of the straightener, I'm going to straighten them. After I'm done with straightening, I'm again going to take 2 to 3 drops of this serum and I'm going to apply this over the top of my hair just to add a little bit shine to it. You can use this serum as many times you want because it's so lightweight, and I love how my hair remains intact the entire day. This is how I like to use this product, but you can use this in many other ways, like before blow dryer, before styling, before braiding. You can use this as a pre-shampoo treatment. Also you can apply it over your dry hair just to add a shine, to control frizz. You can use this in DIY treatments. Also many times we have to go urgently outside but we have no time to wash our hair and our hair are mainly in bad mood, so you can just apply few drops of it and your hair will instantly look healthier and fresher. The ingredient of this product makes it more special because it has 6 flower oil extract, that is lotus, rose, chamomile, flax, tiar and sunflower, which is so great. I've never heard about these oils in any other product. Just a few drops of it gives a intense shine and nutrition, but not only this, it protects your hair against 4 biggest aggressions. It protects your hair in humidity, makes it frizz-free, smoother by 87% for 24 hours. Protects damage from sunlight by 43%. Protects from heat up to 230 degrees Celsius. Also up to 98% less hair fall from breakage. So the price of this product is 499 rupees and it is a 100 ml bottle, and the quantity is pretty amazing. I am pretty sure this is going to last me for more than 2 months. This product works wonder for me and I totally recommend it. If you have a curly hair, or if your hair are chemically treated, or if you have a straighten your hair, you're going to love it, because this product is supposed to give a lot of vitality and healthier look to your hair. It doesn't feel greasy at all and it gives a lot of shine to your hair. Plus, it is for all the hair types, so you really don't have to wonder if it is for your hair. Try it out. So guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope this video was helpful for you guys. If yes, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Do comment down below what you guys think about this product. Have you tried it? If yes, then please share your experience with me. And if anyone of you want to buy this product, link is given in the description box below. Check it out and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, I love you all.